Good morning, everyone. My name is Carlos Racines. I'm a student of the University Católica of Guayaquil, and this subject is technical English. So, the topic is burglar alarm using Arduino and PIR sensor. And I'm gonna start with the definition. Okay, so it's basically an intruder alarm or an anti-theft alarm and work with the PIR sensor that is the heart of the simple burglar alarm circuit using Arduino. A PIR sensor is basically a motion sensor or a motion detector which identifies any object that moves inside its range of view. PIR sensor identifies infrared radiation emitted by any object under its radar range. And also we have the application. Okay, so an intruder alarm or an anti-theft, this is all about building an anti-theft alarm or an Arduino and PIR sensor. It is possible to change this project with many features like adding a GSM module to send SMS alerts to specify mobile numbers when an intruder is detected. When a motion is detected inside the range of PIR sensor, this signal is sent to the Arduino. And the pros and cons. Several of elements that we use in this alarm are very cheap, and you do not need very deep knowledge to do it. One of these disadvantages is its versatility, since it only fulfills a certain function. And we have the conclusion. This project is built with an Arduino and a PIR sensor. The Arduino is a controller that can be used for various functions, and in this case, this Arduino function is to wait for some data that is perceived from the sensor in order to send a signal and an alarm. Okay, so this is kind of alarm. We also have many uses, for example, in house of industries. They can do this. It's of the same of another kind of alarm, but this is more simple because it's only two objects. It's an Arduino and a PIR sensor. This is all. Thank you and continue with the videos.